Alright guys, let's fly this SG108 drone. Let's turn it on. Remote. Alright. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Scanning. Alright, this is the... Okay, we're connected. Let's go to the app. Alright guys. Alright, this one, it's Fan Pro. Alright, calibrate. Calibrate it electronically in the app. You will hear the beeping sound. It's done. First, horizontal calibration. See that beeping sound. Vertical. It doesn't really matter that the front. Alright. Let's arm it. Press this button. You can do it on this two stick here. You will pull it down like that. See? And also you can do it electronically here in the app. See, like that. Once again, okay, here in the stick, you pull it two times. I mean one time together. Right there. Or you use this one to up this left stick. Alright. But you use electronically here. See? You're gonna put up and slide this down. Alright guys, let's put this up. Touch anything. The drone is floating right there. Did it move? It's on the optical flow sensor, and also it's on a GPS. Alright guys, see how stable is this drone. It's floating. Look at that. Let's fly it up. There's a button here that you can switch it to speed here on the bottom, on the top. You can speed up the drone. Once you switch the button on that drone, this one would speed up very very fast. Alright guys. Alright, let's take some picture. Let's put it up a little bit and we'll take some picture. Alright guys, let's take some video. She's coming home. Alright, landed pretty smoothly guys. Alright. Alright guys, if you like this drone, if you like my video, please click the likes button and subscribe. Alright guys, that's it for now.